Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are enjoying your online classes and having fun also, and you are learning many more things in your online classes as well as in your videos. I hope you all are enjoying watching my videos also. And children, before we start our today's class, so I want to ask few of the question that if you went to seashore or if you went near sea, what do you find it out? Or what are the different insects or different animals which live inside sea water? So if I'll ask this question, then your first answer will be fish. Yes, fish. Because more often we have seen fish in our surrounding also. If we went to fish market, we can find it out different kind of fishes over there. So fish is very common animal. It comes in the category of aquatic animals. Now what is aquatic animal? Aquatic means water and then animals. So fish is a very common animal which comes in the category of aquatic or water animals, and we often see many fishes in our surrounding also. So today we will learn about different kinds of fishes. So first of all, fish has different parts. First, fish has gills to take oxygen which is dissolved in water. Now, gills means, so children, we will find different types of fishes in ponds, rivers and lakes. These are the different water resources, and we were finding different types of fishes over there. So today we will study about some fishy facts, or we'll study about different kinds of fish, and we will see what are their features. So we will start with angler fish. Angler fish. So this is your page number 24. This is your page number 24 in your book, and the name of the page is Fishy Facts. Fishy Facts. Now we will study about few fishy facts in this. So we'll start with the first fish, that is angler fish. Now first fish is angler fish. Angler fish. Now what does this fish look like? This angler fish is in a shape of like angle, this kind of a fish, and they have a small skin, a piece of skin over its head, and on this they have one light like structure. Means this light like structure they have. So by using that structure, they catch their prey. So as you can see, what are the different features here? Angler fish has a piece of skin over its head. Now where is your head? Here is our head, and just like that, fish is in this shape, and over its head they have a piece of skin. So we will write the features of this angler fish. The angler fish has a piece of skin over its head which has a light at the end of it. So what is the feature here? They have a piece of skin over its head. Remember all these features because we are going to do fill in the blank and match using these facts only. So what is the first feature of anglerfish? They have a piece of skin over its head, and with this piece of skin only, that is connected to a light at the end of it. Now what is the purpose of that light? Light help to attract what? Light help to attract prey. Now what is prey? Prey means insect. The other insects which they want to eat, that is attracted by the light. So in this, what we have done two features of anglerfish. Anglerfish has a piece of skin over its head and light, and at the end of that piece of skin they have a light, and that light helps to attract prey. That light helps to attract prey. So children, this is our first fish, that is anglerfish. A piece of skin over their head, and that skin is connected to a light. And what that light do? That light helps to attract prey, means other insects which they want to eat. Now the second fish is swordfish. That is swordfish. Now sword means what? Yes, that's correct. Sword means तलवार. जो तलवार होती है, that is called sword. Now swordfish. Now what are the features of swordfish? Now the first feature of swordfish is swordfish have thin and long snouts that they use to make their way through groups of other fishes. Now snouts, if I consider it as a long nose like structure they have, swordfish have thin and long snouts that they use to make their way through groups of other fishes. Like children, you are knowing that lot of fishes were there inside the sea and ocean, and swordfishes and different type of fishes lives in that ocean only. So for finding their ways, for moving in there, they required space. उनको जगह चाहिए, वो कैसे उसके बीच में से निकलेंगे? तो स्वॉर्ड फिश के पास क्या होता है? एक थिन मतलब पतली, और लॉन्ग मीन्स लंबी, स्नाउट, nose like a structure they have, and that nose like structure they were using to find way between different fishes. So through groups of other fishes, swordfish do not have scales like other fishes. Swordfish doesn't have scales like other fishes. Means other fishes have scales to protect them from others. So, but swordfish doesn't have scales. They have blue and silver colored bodies. Now what we have done here? What is the first feature of swordfish? That is, they have thin and long snouts. And what is the work of the snout? The snouts help them to find a way through the other groups of fishes. Now, next, what is the next feature is they do not have scales. उनके पास स्केल्स नहीं होते, जैसे अदर फिशेस पे स्केल्स होते हैं. वो होता है ना चमकीला चमकीला सा, जो ऊपर से हम विच वी टेक इट आउट एंड देन वी आर कुकिंग इट. तो वो स्केल्स स्वॉर्ड फिश के पास नहीं होते. एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ए बॉडी दे हैव ब्लू एंड सिल्वर कलर्ड बॉडी. नाउ क्वेश्चन वी कैन आस्क, which fish has or which fish have blue and silver colored bodies? Which fish has blue and silver colored body? So the answer will be swordfish. The answer will be swordfish. Now here children, we have done two fishes. First, angler fish. What are the features of angler fish? They have a piece of skin over their head and this piece of skin will be connected to light. इसके पीछे एक लाइट लगी होती है. एंड व्हाट इज दैट पर्पस ऑफ दैट लाइट? वो एक्चुअल में लाइट या बल्ब नहीं होता. दैट पार्ट ऑफ दैट स्किन विच गेट शाइन व्हेन दैट फिश इज मूविंग इनसाइड द वाटर. जब वो वाटर में मूव करती है तो वो जो पार्ट होता है वो शाइन करता है. दैट इज एक्चुअली देयर. ऐसा नहीं है कि ऊपर किसी ने बल्ब लगा दिया या एलईडी या ट्यूबलाइट लगा दिया. नो, नॉट लाइक दैट. वो जो उसका पार्ट है, जो उसका स्किन के ऊपर का पार्ट है, दैट इज शाइनिंग ओवर देयर. तो उसके बाद ना, व्हाट डज दिस लाइट हेल्प्स? नाउ दिस लाइट हेल्प्स टू अट्रैक्ट प्रे. अब प्रे क्या होती है? अब एंगलर फिश है, वो जो बड़ी फिशेज होती हैं, दे आर ईटिंग द स्मॉलर वंस. जो छोटी छोटी बहुत सारी फिशेज होती हैं, दैट वाज ईटन बाय द बिगर फिशेज. So if they will not eat those smaller fishes, अगर वो छोटी वाली fishes को नहीं खाएंगी, then there will be lot of fishes in the water and they will not get sufficient oxygen. तो इसलिए it is necessary to eat by the other or the big fishes. Now the second is swordfish. Sword means तलवार. ऐसी fish जिसके पास already एक तलवार होती है, that fish is called swordfish. So what is swordfish? Swordfish is a fish which is having sword. Sword means talwar. Now first feature, thin and long snouts which help them to make way when they are passing in the water. Second, they do not have scales as other fishes have scales. Third, blue and silver colored bodies. What kind of a body they have? Blue and silver colored body. Now what do you have to do children? Whichever point I have written here, that you will underline in your book, so that it will ask any question related to these points, that will be clear in your mind. Now the next kind of a fish is very interesting and the name of that fish is from a bird only. एक बर्ड जैसा ही उसका नाम है, बर्ड. यस, ग्रीन कलर का बर्ड होता है, बहुत सुंदर बर्ड होता है एंड इसको वी कॉल देम मिठू मिठू ऑल्सो. सो दैट ग्रीन कलर बर्ड विच इज हैविंग रेड कलर बैंड इन इट्स नेक, यस, दैट इज पैरट फिश. नाउ पैरट फिश, फर्स्ट फीचर ऑफ पैरट फिश इज parrot fish. Now next fish which we are doing it right now, that is parrot fish. Now first feature of parrot fish is, parrot fishes have multicolored body. Multicolored body. If you have went to zoo somewhere, you can find it out. Parrot also of different color. Different color parrot. More often we are finding only green color parrot in our surrounding. But there are different kinds of parrots were there. Different kinds of parrots having different multicolored body. So this fish is of multicolored fish or multicolored body, and they have beaks. Beaks means just like a parrot, they have beaks similar to the bird's beak. जैसे चोंच होती है, जैसे bird की चोंच होती है या birds की beaks होती है, just like that they have their beaks. They use their beaks to scrape off food from a coral surface. Means from ocean's surface they can take out their food. Means they can with the help of their beak they can scrape out their food from the ocean surface. मतलब ground में से नीचे से कुछ भी खोद करके निकाल के and then they can eat it. So what is the feature of parrot fish? First feature of parrot fish is they have multi-colored bodies. This is very important. Which fish is having multicolored body? Then we have to write parrot fish. Now second thing, they have beak. This is also a very unique feature because every fish is not having beak. So they have beaks just like birds. Just like birds, they have beaks. Now next is, what is the use of this beak? To scrap food. To scrap food from coral surface. Now here coral surface means from hard surface they can take it out their food. From the coral surface means from the hard surface. Hard means जो बहुत पत्थर जैसा होता है, from out of that they can take out their food. So that is parrot fish. पहला फीचर क्या हो गया parrot fish का? They have multicolored body. Second feature, they have beaks. Beaks होता है ऐसे चिड़िया की तरह, ऐसे चोंच होता है. Third feature, to scrap food from coral surface. जो hard surface होता है वहां से भी they can take it out the food by using their beaks. Now we'll do our next fish. Now next fish is very interesting. Next number 4 fish is very interesting. Now what about it? What is interesting fact about that fish is the name of the fish is flying fish. Flying मतलब flying means उड़ना, उड़ने वाली फिश. फिश कैन फ्लाई. हमने तो यही सुना है दैट फिश कैन लिव इनसाइड द वाटर. बिना पानी के तो वो मर जाती है. तो व्हाई दिस फिश इज कॉल्ड फ्लाइंग फिश? नाउ फ्लाइंग फिश कैन ग्लाइड थ्रू द एयर फॉर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस with the help of its wings like fins. Now first feature of flying fish. First of all, I'll write the name of flying fish. This is very unique feature of this flying fish. Now this fish can fly along with the water only. पानी के ऊपर ही ऊपर ऐसे उड़ करके it can that fish can travel some of the distance. So here distance with the help of its wings like fin. अब इसके पास जो fin होते हैं. Now what is fin? What fin is doing it? Fin जो होता है, fin उसका tail जो होता है, that is called fin, which help them to swim inside the water. But इसके पास जो fin है, that fin will help them to fly in the air. So छोटे छोटे जो fins होते हैं, they help them to fly. So what is the first feature of this flying fish? Flying fish can glide through the air for long distance with the help of its wing like fins. Now this whole you are not going to underline. You have to write flying fish can glide through their fins. Through their wings like fins. Glide through. Flying fish can glide through their wings like fins. That is very important. Flying fish can glide through the air with their wings like fins. Now second, it leaves the water when it is pursued by enemies. Now the second feature is when pursued by enemies मतलब अगर पानी में उसका कोई enemy मतलब दुश्मन आ जाता है, then that bird is leaving that water. So what it is doing कि अगर उसके पानी में where that fish is living कोई दुश्मन आ जाता है, कोई enemy आ जाता है, then that fish is ready to leave that water. So that fish, other feature of that fish is they leaves the water. leaves the water when if any enemy is there. Fine, remember it. अगर कोई दुश्मन वहां पानी में या जहां पे वो रह रही है उधर आ जाता है, then that fish is leaving that water. So that is what is given in your book. It leaves the water when it is pursued by enemies. So leaves the water if pursued by enemies, or if any enemy is there, or if enemy is pursued over there. So these are the features of parrotfish and flying fish. So we'll revise once again what are the features of parrotfish and flying fish once again. Parrotfish, first feature is very important feature, that parrot is multicolored bodies. That parrot is of multicolored bodies. Now they have beaks to scrap food from coral surface. From the hard surface also they can scrap the food. Now next, flying fish, they can glide through their wings like fins. इनके fins, their fins are working like wings and they can fly through those wings a long distance. They leaves the water if any enemy is there. If that water is pursued by the enemy, then they will ready to leave that water. So with this we have completed our page number 24. Now come to page number 25, which is your flat fish. Page number 25 is your flat fish. Now flat fish, what are the features of flat fish? We'll find it out right now here. Now flatfish is another kind of a fish which has eyes on both the sides. Normally if you have seen the fish, these fish have eyes on one side only, but this flatfish has both its eyes on one side of its head. अब इसकी जो फिश होती है, ये इसके दोनों आईज जो होती है और बोथ द आईज वर ऑन वन साइड ऑफ इट्स हेड, एकदम ऐसा फ्लैट होता है. तो ये वाला जो साइड है, इधर पे ही टू आईज विल बी देयर. सो दिस फिश इज फ्लैट मतलब क्या होता है, एकदम चिपटा. ठीक है. अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल मम्मा ने डो लिया, या कोई भी डो होता है, डो को फिर मम्मा क्या करती है, ऐसा डो होता है ना, आटे का डो जो होता है, उसको ले करके एंड देन मम्मा उसको एकदम फ्लैट चपाती बना देती है. सो दैट इज व्हाट दे मीन. फ्लैट मतलब एकदम चिपटा जो हो जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्लैट. ठीक है. सो द फ्लैट फिश हैज बोथ इट्स आईज ऑन वन साइड ऑफ इट्स हेड. अब फ्लैट फिश की जो आईज होती हैं दोनों एक साइड पर ही होती है, एंड दे कैन बी फाउंड resting on the bottom with their eyes facing upward looking for prey. और हम ये फ्लैट फिश को we can find it out कि वो ज़मीन पे और एकदम बिल्कुल सरफेस में, ये they will go in the ocean and they will go in the surface, on the surface of the ocean, bottom पे एकदम आराम से रेस्ट करते हुए, and their eyes को कहाँ रखती है, ऊपर की तरफ, फ्लैट एकदम बॉटम पे लेट करके, एंड ऊपर क्या होता है, ऊपर की तरफ आइज होती है. ऊपर की तरफ आइज क्यों होती है, जो भी इंसेक्ट और प्रे होगा, जो भी उनका खाने पीने की जो इंसेक्ट्स होंगे, दे वर ट्रेवलिंग ओवर देयर. अब वो आइज क्या करती है, वो उसको देखती रहती है कि कब ये आया, एंड देन दे विल ईट इट. तो फाउंड रेस्टिंग ऑन द बॉटम विद देयर आइज फेसिंग अपवर्ड लुकिंग फॉर प्रे. सो व्हाट आर द फीचर हियर? Flatfish, number 5. Flatfish. First feature, they have both eyes on one side of head. Both eyes are on one side of head. Both eyes on one side of head. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हेड के एक ही साइड पे दोनों आइज होती है इसकी. फिर सेकेंड फीचर, they rest in the bottom and eyes facing toward upward. That you have to remember only कि जब वो बॉटम में रेस्ट करने के लिए, मतलब अगर पानी के अंदर वो रेस्ट करने के लिए जाती हैं, ऐसे करके रेस्ट कर रही है, देन देयर आईज, यहाँ पे जो आई है वो अपवर्ड, अपवर्ड मतलब ऊपर की डायरेक्शन में देखेगा, एंड फाइंडिंग द प्रे ऑल्सो, कि वहाँ पे जो भी अदर फिशेज या कोई भी इंसेक्ट्स दोज हु वर moving in the water, they'll find it out so that they can eat that insect. So children, now we have next fish. In this flat fish you have to remember only this thing. और दूसरा तो I have told you कि जब वो बॉटम पे रेस्ट करने जाती है तो आईज किस डायरेक्शन में होती है, that also you will underline कर लो, only the direction of the eyes, eyes looking in which direction, that is upward. upward मतलब मैंने बता दिया अभी आपको, वो upward means ऊपर, ऊपर की तरफ देखती रहती है, to catch their prey, to catch their prey, ठीक है, prey को पकड़ने के लिए, for catching their prey, ऐसे सोते हुए भी they have their eyes upward. So now with this we have done flat fish. So children, today we have done 5 types of fishes. हमने 5 टाइप्स ऑफ फिशेस किया है. कौन कौन सा किया है, लेट्स रिवाइज इट वन मोर टाइम. फर्स्ट इज एंगुलर फिश. फर्स्ट हमने क्या किया, एंगुलर फिश. सो चिल्ड्रन, लेट रिवाइज दैट एंगुलर फिश. एंगुलर फिश के हेड पे क्या था, अ पीस ऑफ अ स्किन. हेड पे क्या था, अ पीस ऑफ अ स्किन विच इज कनेक्टेड टू अ लाइट लाइक अ स्ट्रक्चर, and that light like a structure help them to catch their prey. तो number 1 हमारा क्या हुआ, angular fish. If all these things are clear to you all, then I'll erase it and then one by one I'll write it what kind of a fish we have done and we will revise it right now. So children, let's start what we have done here. We have done first kind of a fish, that is angular fish. Now angular fish is having skin on its head and that skin is connected to, yes, a piece of a light, skin is connected, or at the end they have a light like a structure, and that light will help them to catch their prey. Now second fish which we have done, angular fish is having a piece of a skin on its head, and this piece of a skin ends with the light and that light help them to attracting their prey. Now what is prey? Prey क्या होता है? Prey means, yes, their food or the other insect which they want to eat, that is angular fish. Now come to number 2, that is sword fish. Number 2 is sword fish. Sword fish have a thin and long snouts. Sword fish, according to its name, they have long and thin and long sword like structure snouts they have, and these snouts help them to move inside the water. Second thing, they have blue and silver colored bodies. Now number 3 we have parrot fish. Number 3 we have parrot fish. Now what is the feature of parrot fish? That parrot fish is of multicolored bodies and they have beaks. They have beaks which help them to scrape food from coral surface. Coral surface means from the hard surface they can take it out those food from with the help of their beaks. ऐसा beaks ऐसा चोंच जैसा होता है, and they will utilize to take out the food. Now number 4 we have a flying fish. A flying fish. Now what is a flying fish? Flying fish is a fish. Flying fish is a fish can glide through the air for a long distance. Glide मतलब वो उड़ सकती है, कहाँ पे, एयर में उड़ सकती है distance with the help of wings like fins. उसके fins कैसे होते हैं? Just like wings, and they can fly. And if they found any enemy in the water, they leave that particular water. So now the next is the last one which we have done, that is flatfish, which has eyes on one side. Number 5, flatfish that has eyes on one side of their head, and when they are taking rest at the bottom, then also they have eyes in the upward direction. ऐसे लेटती है and then they are looking at upward direction, ऊपर देख रही होती है, and then that position help them to catch prey. So today we have done these types of fishes. I hope you have enjoyed studying about all these fishes. Tomorrow again we will do few kinds of fishes, and then we will come to the exercise related to this. So that's all for today, children. Enjoy your day. Good day, children.